Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is pink color, green color, yellow color, parrot color, purple color, blue color, red color, and the last one is sky blue color. Now it's time to color our eggplant. How many eggplants can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 eggplants.